So in this video, I'll be discussing about how ATC actually works. ATC stands for Air Traffic Control. So the first thing which you should know from this definition is that they'll be controlling the traffic in the airport or in the air. So how they will be doing it? That they will be having few systems with them. So one of the few systems is that is they will be using a VHF to communicate with the pilot. Then also they will be having a display systems in front of them which will be giving a visual presentation of the scenario in air, which is also known as a radar display. So now ATC, the main job of ATC is to have a communication with the pilot. So what happens is ATC gives the guidance to the pilot over the VHF. So that is he will be giving a voice instructions to the pilot, and the pilot would accordingly navigate the aircraft, or he will control the aircraft based on the instructions of ATC. So as we have seen that the ATC uses a VHF communication system, which is a very high frequency. So what will happen is there will be a system which will be a transmitter, and also they will be having a small receiver with them. So this is ATC. Now with coming to the pilot also in the cockpit, he will be also having a transmitter and a receiver. So the communication between the ATC and pilots happen over a fixed frequency. Let us say it happens at a frequency of 118.00 megahertz. So what happens is the ATC will transfer his voice instructions using his transmitter, and then the pilot at his end will receive those instructions. And then if pilot he wants to say anything to the ATC, then the pilot will be transmitting, and then which will be received by the receiver of the ATC. So this way the voice communication happens between the ATC and pilot. So now we are clear on the communication part between the ATC and pilot. Now the next thing is how the ATC will come to know regarding an aircraft. So what happens is the ATC, which is the air traffic control, which is having a transmitter receiver, the receiver will always be kept in on condition. So what happens whenever any aircraft transmits some voice on his transmitter, and that will be received to the ATC receiver, then ATC will come to know that one aircraft is trying to communicate with him. Then once he receives these things, then he will also reply back using his transmitter. So this way the communication happens. Then the first thing, this is the one way in which the pilot knows that about the aircraft, and the second way is that is he will be having a flight plan. A flight plan is something which before a flight takeoffs we should have a flight plan. Flight plan is compulsory. So flight plan will be having the details of the aircraft, its departure time, its arrival time, its duration, and its destination, and also the source of origination, and so many things will be there. So ATC will be having the flight plan of the all the aircrafts under its control. So he will be having this information in prior. So he will be having prior information. So whenever the pilot communicates with the ATC, then he will cross check the flight plan, and then the ATC will know as to how he should take the control of the aircraft so that he can guide the pilot on that. So based on the flight plan and also the current situation in the airport. That is, the ATC will decide on the runway, usability conditions, apron, and then there are so many things. So based on the airport condition, he will decide and he will control the aircraft and he will give the instructions to the pilot, and the pilot will simply be following the air traffic control instructions. So this is a very simplified view of how the ATC system works, that how he communicates with the pilot and how he actually guides him. So what are the information he has priorly, that is he has a flight plan and many things. Similarly, a pilot also knows the frequency of operation and many things. So this is a very, you can say, beginner level understanding of how the ATC works. Now if you want me to go into much details, then you please let me know in the comment section as to what all I should cover in detail with respect to how the ATC works. I will be happy to share my knowledge with you. So if you have liked the video, then hit the like button, then you can subscribe to the channel for some more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.